Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series, and today I will teach you the Burgundy Smoky Eye. And first we're gonna apply the taping, and then with the help of flat applicator applying the color over the eyelid. To see the color you can reverse the video and see the color I have taken from the palette. You can be pretty all set. Now blending it over the outer edges of the eye. Taking the big blending brush and blending it. You can see now taking the smudge brush and the black eyeshadow to give the depthness to the color. As you can see, with the help of blending brush, blending it inward direction. We have taken the burgundy shade on this blending brush to blend the black eyeshadow, trying to give the natural effect. You can see how beautifully I am blending this eyeshadow over the eyelid. You can see again taking the smudging brush. Now taking the big blending brush, making it more natural. See the look after lashes and removing the taping. You can see how sharp it comes. Now going to do the under eye work. For this, applying the Charm Work Beauty Ka white kajal pencil to the inner to the lower lash line. Taking the smudge brush, smudging it with the same eyeshadow you have taken on your eyelid. Now, using the mascara from Maybelline to the lower lashes of the eye, completing the look, and here is the final look in front of you. Please comment us if you love our work, support us. If you have any query, you can directly comment in the comment section. I will respond to every questions. So bye bye. Take care everyone. Have a good day and keep practicing.